As an employee, it's really easy for me to access the Work Zone for HR. So whenever I have a mobile or any kind of a device which has a connection to the internet and a browser, I can easily access the portal. You can see it here, stay up to date with the latest and coolest things that happen within my company and which are shared with me. So I can easily see which kind of events are upcoming. So what's next step though? I can register for these events, or I can consume additional information like URLs, how to log in, or where this event takes place. Scrolling a bit down, I'll get to the part where the employee self-services take place. So I can request a time off immediately from my Work Zone for HR with my mobile device, or I can see where my current time off request sits. So I can see, well, it's still pending. Probably I should call my manager and ask what's the issue. Scrolling down, I see the internal job market and the jobs which are posted. So I can easily hit a job and then I'll get redirected to the internal job market, which allows me to apply now just using my mobile phone or refer this job to a friend. But as this is not now relevant to me, I can easily scroll down again and I see, well, there's a survey, so a Qualtrics survey, and the company thinks about me and asks me, well, how do you feel? So I felt okay. So the weather is not the best, so the weather is okay, and so I feel. That's it. Scrolling down a bit again, a lot of additional employee self-services appear. So whenever I'm moving, I can easily add my new address here, just get the confirmation by email, or I can create an incident. So whenever something is happening, I can easily use my mobile to create an incident, so just selecting the impact, urgency, and provide a short description. Learning plan, compliance trainings, and all these things that are relevant to me as an employee as well can easily be consumed as well. So for example, the forklift safety training is crucial to my current job, and whenever I hit continue course, I'm automatically redirected to the particular course and can consume this learning just using my mobile. I can consume the video which is provided in the learning and just learn and pass the course hopefully. So, but let's get back to the Work Zone for HR and check out what else is included next to the self-services, the learning plan, and so on and so forth. So whenever I scroll down, I see the winner's circle. So I see really important people out of my company, like Mike, for example, like Deanne, or for example, Kate. Hitting on the picture, I'll see their profile and can get additional information about them. But for me as an employee, what's important? So of course, time and money. So my company provided me Fiori apps, which gives me the possibility to access our backend system easily. So for example, I can access from my mobile the payslip application, which will show me my most recent payslip. As this is a pretty small visualization, I can easily open the payslip as a PDF and can get access to the whole payslip at once. So I see, well, I'm earning quite well, so let's get back and be kind to the company as well by providing a couple of information on the timesheet. Next to the timesheet, there are additional Fiori apps available, so I can easily request a travel, or I can expense my expenses from my last travel just using my mobile phone, or even access my benefits, for example. Everything works like the timesheet, for example, on Fiori basis, so I can provide kind of time entries here, the duration, and I can assign the time manually or even automatically. But as this is not my current task and I have some other stuff to do, let's get back to the Work Zone and check out what else is included in the Work Zone. And the last thing which is embedded in this setup of the Work Zone is the social embeddedness. Everyone wants to be socially embedded, so what is provided with the Work Zone for HR is the functionality that I can share my last and most recent updates, so what I'm working on and where someone else is working on. I can share these things, I can notify people, and I can be notified, of course, as well. Especially in these remote settings, this seems to be a more and more crucial topic, that people feel socially embedded to perform well on their job.